Welcome to today's session, children. Successfully we have completed prose lesson 2. What is the title of the lesson? The Sound of Music. And this session is for grade 9 students. Shall we move into today's session then? What is the topic of the prose lesson? The sound of music. And we have discussed that the lesson is about two great musicians. Who are the two great musicians? Evelyn Glennie in part 1 and Ustad Bismillah Khan in part 2. When we talk about Evelyn Glennie, she is the percussionist, and Ustad Bismillah Khan from India, he is a great man with the great mastering skills of Shehnai. The title of the lesson is The Sound of Music. And I have already told you, these two people are from different corners of the country. One is from Scotland and the other one is from India. You could see, like in all the three sessions, I am repeating the same word. They are from different corners of the world. Why I am telling this? Because if you are going to fix your target, nothing can stop you. Evelyn Glennie is from Scotland. Ustad Bismillah Khan is from India. Two inspirational stories of great musicians. The stories of these two great musicians have inspired you, children. Have it inspired or not? Yes, it would have inspired you. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to move into the book back exercises. We are going to start with book back exercises. You could see what is the page number given here, page 25. This session, if it is going to be supported with your textbook, it will be more better. When the session is going on, try to have the textbook in your hand. I am insisting this in everyday session. Even though we could not reach you, we could not see you in real classrooms, this is a good mode of learning. And in this platform, we are going like as we do it in classrooms. Is it or not? We are doing the same or not? So this is what? We are going to see the book back exercises. It is better to have your English textbook in hand. I am going to give you the answers, and for some questions you are going to come out with the answers. Shall we start the session now? In page number 25, there is a title called Thinking About the Text. Why I feel like doing all this exercise is, it will help you to register things in your mind, children. Don't you agree? Will it help you to register things in mind or not? Yes, for sure. If you are going to go through the book back exercises, it will make things register in your mind. Shall we start the session now? Book back exercises. What is the first Roman in page number 25? Pick the right answer. First question. Let me read out the question. You can also read the question with me. The dash was a reeded noisemaker. If you have read the text, you will be able to give me the answer. The dash was a reeded noisemaker. What is the answer here? Yes, many of you are coming out with right answer. What is a reeded noisemaker? It is pungi. Yes, it is pungi, which is called as a reeded noisemaker. Have you got the answer now? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. Dash transformed the pungi into Shehnai. Dash transformed the pungi into a Shehnai. The answers are Bismillah Khan, a barber, and Ali Baksh. What will be the answer? Yes, you are right. It is a barber. Come on, mark the answers. It is a barber. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were, we have two options here. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were Babar's professional musicians. What is the answer? Have you read the text? And I have highlighted in the video session also. His paternal ancestors were professional musicians. What is the answer? It is professional musicians. Have you got the answer for all the 3 questions now? Okay. Now we are going to move to the next question. Question number 4. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from. What are the answers? Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from Ali Bakhsh, Paigambar Bakhsh and Ustad Fayaz Khan. What is the answer? Ali Bakhsh. You are right. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from Ali Bakhsh. Have you got the answer for this question? Okay, now you are going to give me the answer for this question. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to, either it is to USA or to Canada or to Afghanistan. This you could see in page number 124, last point. What is the answer? You are right. It is Afghanistan. First answer, fourth answer is Ali Bakhsh. Fifth answer is Afghanistan. Are you clear with these answers now? Shall we move to the next Roman then? Yes. Next Roman is like this. You have read part 2. Have you read part 2 or not? Yes, you would have read part 2. And I have completed part 2. I asked you to read. It is about Ustad Bismillah Khan, a great musician from India. And he is also the recipient of Bharat Ratna. Have you read the full lesson? If you have read the full lesson, you will be able to answer the questions then. Now what we are going to do is, you are going to relate the feelings of Ustad Bismillah Khan. What you are going to do? You are going to relate the feelings of Ustad Bismillah Khan. Here there will be some sentences and you have to say whether he had a positive feeling or a negative feeling or a neutral feeling. Do you have all these 3 feelings, children? Positive, negative and neutral feeling? The same way we are going to relate the sentences now. Shall we read the question? Find the words in the text which shows Ustad Bismillah Khan's feelings about the items listed below. Then mark a tick in the correct column. Have you read the question? Do it in your textbook. Have your textbook in hand and read it line by line. That will help you to improve your reading skill as well as the listening skill, because you are listening this video in mobile through a offline link. Better have your textbook in hand. Yes. Now let us move to the first sentence. Here 3 kinds of feeling. You have to give a tick mark either in a positive, neutral or negative. What is the first statement? Teaching children music. What is his feeling? What is Bismillah Khan's feeling towards it? What kind of feeling he had? Yes, you are right. It is positive feeling. Most of you are coming out with good answers. Very good. And his feeling towards the film world? Have you read the part? Yes, it is negative. He does not have a positive opinion about the film world. And he is from a Muslim family background. Next, migrating to USA, he had a negative feeling. Your answers are correct, children? Yes. Next question. Playing at temples, what will be his feeling? It will be neutral. Yes, it will be neutral. He is not for that or he is not against that. He had a neutral feeling over there. Getting the Bharat Ratna, how his feeling will be? Yes, you are right, it is positive. Banks of Ganga, you could see this. Most of his time he spent in banks of Ganga, in solitude. He spent his time by practicing Shehnai. So his feeling will be positive. Very good. Leaving Benares and Dumron, what will be the answer? Did he feel like leaving Benares when he moved to USA and other places? Did he feel like leaving his native place? No. So what is the feeling? Negative feeling. Have you got the answers now? Yes. So this exercise is also over. Mark the answers with pencil. After the session is over, in next half an hour, I'll ask you to post your textbook. Post your textbook in the sense you have to take a photo shot of your textbook and you have to post it in WhatsApp. I will check whether you are doing it in your textbook or not. Try to be responsible, children. Try to be serious. Okay? Don't think that ma'am is just discussing the answer. It is for your sake. It will help you. When you are going to have your assessment, it is going to help you. And as I have told you already, it is going to register things in your mind. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Next. Still now we have seen thinking about the text. Now thinking about language. Look at these sentences. Come on. Let us read the sentence first. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. What is the similarity you could find, children? Live is a verb. Conceal is a verb. Both the verbs have to in front of them. What do they have? They have to. Have I taught you last year, children? Infinitive. If you are going to have ing, it is called gerund. Here, if you are going to have to plus verb, it is called infinitive. Have I taught you or not in 8th standard? Yes. So, here we are going to see verb forms which is having to plus verb. I don't want to take you risk over here. Just understand the thing and complete the blanks which is given over there. Now, come to the next thing. Complete the following sentences beginning with the to verb. Try to answer the question in brackets. Now, what you are going to do? You have to fill in the blanks with to verb. To plus verb. What you are going to do? You are going to fill in the blanks with to plus verb and you are going to complete the brackets. Is it clear for everyone? I am not going to do you this exercise. It is in page number 26. You have to complete it. The verb will be given in bracket. You have to add to it. What you are going to add? To it. The exercise is in page number 26. Am I clear? Thinking about language in page 26. You are going to complete the exercise now. Will you complete the exercise? I want all my students to complete the exercise. Whereas if you are going to answer the question which is given in bracket, you will be able to give the answers. Now, when the session is going to get over, in next 15 minutes time, I want you to post your answers. As I told you already, take a photo in your mobile phone of your textbook and you have to post it in WhatsApp group. Will you do it immediately? And here I'll give you some time to do it, children. I'll give you 1 minute of time just to go through the questions. Where is this exercise? This exercise in page number 26. Go through the exercise. Come on, are you able to fill the answers now? You have to fill the answers. You have to write the answers with pencil. Immediately what you are going to do, you have to take a photo shot of it and you have to post it in WhatsApp group. Will you do it, children? Yes, you have to do this work immediately. I am waiting for your reply. After the session, I am waiting for your reply. I want all my children to do the same to check whether you are doing the book back exercise or not. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, I am waiting for your reply.